Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessica Langston and I'm an Avon Independent Sales representative, and guess what? I am doing an Avon unboxing. Alright, so let's get into it. Sorry about that. Okay, see what we got today, guys. So I have the Whitening Essentials Fluoride Toothpaste. I'm excited to try this. I have Big and Multiplied Mascara. Some more of the VDL Blue My Layer Primer. Pore Penetrating Black Mineral Mask, which I love. Avon Kids. Let's see, 3-in-1 shampoo, conditioner, and detangler. Let me see what this stuff smells like. Oh, I guess it would help if I opened it. Let's see. This is mine, so. Oh my gosh, that smells good, guys. Kind of smells like grapes. Smells good. We'll sit that there. Ouch. Avon Primer. Let's see what this smells like. I should have known it was sealed. This one's mine too, so I'm going to open it. I bet it smells good. Oh my gosh. That smells really good, guys. I'm getting a, kind of smells like vanilla. It smells more like vanilla. Let's see. Let's try some. Well, or not. It's not wanting to come out. Oh, that's tricky there. They had two seals on here. I didn't know they did that. Well, I was going to put some on, but it is like sealed pretty good. There we go. Now, let's try this. If my kids pop in, I'm sorry. Apologize ahead of time. I have 4. Oh, guys, look. It is soft. Oh, it smells good. It's soft, not greasy. It's really soft. I also have Clear Skin Professional Deep Pore Cleansing Scrub. Hang on. I have Avon Footworks Lavender. That smells good too. Get out, please. And then I have some Bug Guard Plus. Because you know, the bugs are out. And I don't like bugs, and neither do my kids, so it is strong repellents against mosquitoes and deer ticks with vitamin E. So I recommend this. I also recommend the Clear Skin Pore Penetrating Black Mask if you have acne issues or a really oily skin. This would be a good product to try. And I will have to do a review on the Whitening Essentials Charcoal Toothpaste. I am really wanting to try this, guys. Kind of nervous though. Never used black toothpaste before. But I hope you guys enjoyed my unboxing, and follow me on social media. I will have that probably linked down below in the comment section. If y'all have any recommendations or any product reviews you want me to do, just make sure you leave your comments below, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.